Donut Duster Lonny back for another styling, and we're going to continue with styling with the Donut Explorers Special Edition Duster Wax, and today we're going to go with Blueberry Fritter, another one of my faves, donut and wax. We're going to go ahead and style up with that today. Before we do that though, I'm going to do something from a trimming standpoint. So there's two thoughts on how to trim a mustache. One is don't trim it, let it grow, and I see value with that. The other is, and this is my preference, I've done it both ways, but this is my preference, is when this stash starts covering my lips. It starts making it harder to eat and manage life.